Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real Speaking Pod. I am Emma, and today we are going to practice the topic 1 hour of simple English practice. This lesson is for beginner and intermediate learners who want calm, clear, useful English for listening, speaking, repeating, and thinking. Of course, this script is not a real full hour, but it will feel like a complete guided practice. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Today, we will practice simple English in a friendly way. Simple English practice is powerful because simple sentences are the foundation of real speaking. Foundation means the strong bottom part of something. If your foundation is weak, speaking feels difficult. If your foundation is strong, you can build longer sentences, better answers, and more confidence. Many learners try to learn difficult words too early. They think difficult English means good English. But clear English is better than confusing English. A simple sentence spoken clearly can help you more than a difficult sentence you cannot use. Let us begin with one simple sentence. I am practicing English today. Repeat it slowly. I am practicing English today. This sentence has a subject, a verb, and a time word. I is the subject. Am practicing is the action. Today is the time word. You can change today to every day, tonight, this morning, or after work. I am practicing English every day. I am practicing English tonight. I am practicing English after work. This is how simple practice grows. Now let us practice introducing yourself. Self-introduction is one of the most important speaking skills. Say, my name is Emma. I am learning English. I am a beginner and intermediate learner. I want to improve my speaking. I want to understand more conversations. I practice a little every day. These sentences are useful because you can use them in class, online, at work, or when meeting new people. Keep them ready in your mind. Practice your own introduction. My name is, I am from, I live in, I work as, or I am a student. I am learning English because. My goal is to speak more confidently. Confidently means with confidence. You do not need to share everything. A good introduction is short, clear, and polite. Polite means respectful. When you can introduce yourself easily, the first part of a conversation becomes less scary. Now, let us practice daily routine. Daily routine means the things you do every day. Say, I wake up in the morning. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work or school. I take a break. I come home in the evening. I eat dinner. I study English. I go to bed at night. These sentences may sound simple, but they are very useful in real conversations. Add time words to make your routine clearer. In the morning, I wake up early. After breakfast, I go to work. At noon, I eat lunch. In the afternoon, I finish my tasks. In the evening, I spend time with my family. At night, I practice English. Before sleeping, I review new words. Time words help the listener follow your story. Follow means understand the order. Good speaking has order. Now let us practice feelings. Feelings are important because people often ask, how are you? You can say, I am fine. I am okay. I am happy. I am tired. I am a little nervous. I feel excited. I feel calm. I feel stressed. I feel grateful. Grateful means thankful. Do not always say, I am fine. If you want more natural English, add a small reason. I am tired because I worked a lot. I am happy because I learned something new. Practice feeling sentences. I feel tired, but I will continue. I feel nervous, but I can speak slowly. I feel happy because I practiced English. I feel confused, so I need help. Confused means not clear. I feel proud because I did not give up. Proud means happy because of effort. These sentences help you talk about real life. English becomes stronger when it connects to real feelings. Now, let us practice asking for help. Asking for help is not weakness. Weakness means lack of strength. In English learning, asking for help is smart. Say, could you help me, please? Could you repeat that? Could you speak more slowly? I do not understand this word. What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Can you explain it again? These phrases are extremely useful. If you know them, you can continue conversations even when you feel lost. Practice polite help sentences. Excuse me, I have a question. I am sorry, I did not understand. Could you say that again? Could you write it down? Could you give me an example? Let me check if I understand. Thank you for your help. These sentences make you sound polite and clear. They also protect you from pretending. Pretending means acting like something is true when it is not. Do not pretend to understand. Ask kindly. Now, let us practice common questions. Questions help conversations continue. Repeat these questions. What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? What do you like to do? How was your day? What did you do today? What are you learning? Why are you learning English? What is your goal? These questions are simple, but they open many conversations. Open means begin or create space. Now practice answering questions. What is your name? My name is Emma. Where are you from? I am from my city. What do you do? I teach English. What do you like to do? I like reading, walking, and listening to music. How was your day? My day was busy, but good. Why are you learning English? I am learning English because I want better communication. Communication means sharing ideas with other people. Now let us practice the answer, add, ask method. This method keeps conversation going. Answer the question. Add one detail. Ask a question back. Example, do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. I usually drink it in the morning. What about you? Another example, are you learning English? Yes, I am learning English. I practice with simple podcasts. How do you practice? This method is simple and powerful. It turns short answers into real conversations. Practice with food. Do you like rice? Yes, I like rice. I eat it with vegetables. What food do you like? Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. I drink it in the evening. What about you? Do you cook at home? Yes, I cook at home sometimes. I like simple food. Do you like cooking? These small patterns help you speak naturally. Natural means normal and comfortable. Now, let us practice describing your home. You can say, I live in a small house. My room is simple. I have a bed, a table, and a chair. My notebook is on the table. My phone is near the bed. The window is open. The room is quiet. I study English in my room. These sentences help you describe places. Description is an important speaking skill. Practice place words. On, under, near, next to, in front of, behind, inside, outside. The book is on the table. The bag is under the chair. The phone is near me. The window is next to the bed. The chair is in front of the table. The door is behind me. These words help you explain where things are. They are small words, but they are very useful. Now let us practice talking about time. Time English is important for daily life. Say, it is 7 o'clock. It is morning. It is afternoon. It is evening. It is night. I wake up at 6. I eat lunch at 1. I finish work at 5. I study English at night. I go to bed around 10. Around means about, not exact. Time sentences help you explain your schedule. Schedule means a plan for your time. Practice time questions. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7. What time do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 8. What time do you study English? I study English after dinner. Are you busy today? Yes, I am busy today. Do you have time tomorrow? Maybe. I have time in the evening. These questions and answers are useful for work, study, and daily plans. Now, let us practice simple past tense. Past tense talks about things that already happened. Say, I worked yesterday. I studied English yesterday. I cooked dinner. I called my friend. I watched a video. I learned a new word. I felt tired. I went to bed early. Some verbs are regular. Work becomes worked. Study becomes studied. Some verbs are irregular. Go becomes went. Feel becomes felt. Do not worry. Learn slowly. Practice past questions. What did you do yesterday? I worked and studied English. Did you watch a movie? Yes, I watched a... Now let us practice future sentences. Future talks about things that will happen later. Say, I will study tomorrow. I will practice speaking tonight. I am going to listen to English after dinner. I am going to write 3 sentences. I will call my friend. I will clean my room. I will sleep earlier. Future sentences help you talk about plans, goals, and promises. Promise means saying you will do something. Practice future questions. What will you do tomorrow? I will go to work and practice English. What are you going to study? I am going to study daily routine sentences. Will you practice speaking? Yes, I will practice speaking for 5 minutes. Are you going to write? Yes, I am going to write 3 sentences. These questions are good for daily English practice. Now, let us imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel is busy, but he wants to practice English every day. He does not have 1 full hour. He has small moments. In the morning, he listens to English for 5 minutes. On the bus, he repeats 3 sentences. At lunch, he writes 1 new word. In the evening, he speaks about his day for 1 minute. Before sleeping, he reviews his notebook. Daniel learns that simple practice can fit into a busy life. At first, Daniel feels that his English is too slow. He compares himself with other learners. Compare means look at yourself and another person and feel better or worse, he says. They speak faster than me. Then he remembers an important lesson. My progress is my progress. He writes, I am improving slowly. Improving means becoming better. This sentence helps him continue. Simple English practice is not about speed. It is about consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly. Daniel makes mistakes. He says, yesterday I go to work. Then he remembers, yesterday uses past tense. He corrects himself. Yesterday I went to work. He does not feel ashamed. Ashamed means feeling bad about yourself. He says, mistakes help me learn. This is a strong sentence. Mistakes help me learn. Every mistake can show you what to practice next. Mistakes are not the end of learning. They are part of learning. Now let us practice speaking about problems. Daily problems are common topics. Say, I have a problem. I need help. I am late. I lost my keys. My phone is not working. The internet is slow. I do not understand the message. I feel tired. I have too many tasks. These sentences help you explain issues. An issue is a problem or situation that needs attention. Clear problem sentences help people help you. Practice solution sentences. I will stay calm. I will ask for help. I will check again. I will try another way. I will call someone. I will write it down. I will take a break. I will start again. These sentences are useful because life is full of small problems. English is not only for perfect days. English is also for difficult moments, questions, and solutions. Solution means an answer to a problem. Now let us practice motivation sentences. Motivation means the feeling that gives you energy to continue. Say, I want to improve. I can start small. I can practice today. I do not need perfect English. I can speak slowly. I can learn from mistakes. I will not give up. Give up means stop trying. I am becoming more confident. Confident means believing you can try. These sentences are useful for your mind and your speaking. Repeat this short motivation speech. I am learning English step by step. I do not need to be perfect. I can listen, repeat, speak, and write. I can practice for 5 minutes. I can start again after a hard day. Mistakes are part of learning. My English is growing. This speech is simple but powerful. Powerful means strong and meaningful. Say it when you feel tired or discouraged. Discouraged means losing hope. Now let us practice vocabulary with sentences. Word 1, improve. I want to improve my English. Word 2, practice. I practice every day. Word 3, repeat. I repeat useful sentences. Word 4, Understand. I understand more than before. Word 5. Confidence. Practice gives me confidence. Word 6. Habit. English. Now let us practice pronunciation with short phrases. Good morning. Nice to meet you. How are you? I am learning English. Could you repeat that? I do not understand. I need more time. I want to improve. Let me try again. Thank you very much. Say them slowly, then say them naturally. Clear pronunciation is more important than fast pronunciation. Pronunciation means the way words sound. Speak clearly first. Speed can come later. Now let us practice a 1-minute daily speech. Repeat after me. Today, I woke up early. I washed my face and drank water. Then I ate breakfast and started my day. I worked or studied for several hours. In the afternoon, I took a short break. In the evening, I practiced English. I listened, repeated, and wrote 3 sentences. I felt tired, but I continued. This was a simple day, but I made progress. You can change this speech for your real life. Say, today I woke up late. Today I felt happy. Today I went shopping. Today I helped my family. Today I learned a new word. Today I practiced speaking. Use your real actions. Real English comes from real life. When you describe your own day, English becomes personal. Personal means connected to you. Personal sentences are easier to remember. Now let us practice opinions. Opinion means what you think or feel about something. Use phrases like, I think, I believe, in my opinion for me. Say, I think English is useful. I believe practice is important. In my opinion, listening every day helps a lot. For me, speaking is difficult but interesting. Opinions make your English more expressive. Expressive means able to show thoughts and feelings. Practice opinion questions. What do you think about English? I think English is important. What is difficult for you? Speaking is difficult for me. What is easy for you? Simple listening is easy for me. What helps you learn? Repetition helps me learn. What is your goal? My goal is to speak with confidence. These questions are great for speaking practice. Answer them again and again with different details. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do every day? How do you feel today? What did you do yesterday? What will you do tomorrow? What problem do you need to solve? What is your English goal? What sentence can motivate you? Pause when you need time. Answer simply. My name is, I feel, I will. One helpful practice is the 10-sentence rule. Every day, say 10 simple English sentences. They can be about your morning, your work, your feelings, your family, or your plan. Example. I woke up early. I drank tea. I went to work. I felt tired. I learned 1 word. I practiced English. I called my friend. I ate dinner. I wrote 3 sentences. I will sleep soon. 10 sentences a day can train your mouth. Another helpful practice